This is the hotel that I have been staying at lately, the last few nights. I'm here in Orlando, Florida, and I am going to Denver, Colorado, so let's go. Going to Terminal Beach. Got a lot of luggage. So when you go up those elevators, make sure you go up the right one, because if you go up the short one, it takes you to the wrong floor. United's somewhere way down there. I like their fake aquarium here. That's all I'm showing you here. Found United. Now we get to wade through that mess. I was wondering what these pod-looking things were. But it's a train. We get to go through a train. See, that's the train we're gonna go on. Got the whole place to ourselves.
Next stop is 3259.
Look at that windshield wiper. It's pretty cool, right?
As you can just hear, the doors just opened up and I went in the wrong way. I should have gone the entrance, but I actually went in through the exit and I didn't realize it. And you can hear the people getting on now. So I'm not alone on this little journey here.
I don't think it matters which one you ride, because it went over there. I mean, I thought it was like something to do with which one you want to go on. Then there's their main food court. There's a Ruby Tuesdays, a spa place, a coffee place, and Hudson. This little guy, Mason, my nephew, he can see any airplane and tell you immediately what it is. We were flying into the airport and he sees the Spirit. He's like, that's a Spirit Airbus A321. And we're all just like, okay, if you say so. I mean, we're far away from it. You can barely see it. This is incredible. Got Mason over here. We're gonna go talk airplanes with him. What kind of plane is this, Mason?
A 757-200. It's 200. That's the one we're getting on.
Yeah?
It's an old.
Where are you sitting?
38A.
38A. Oh, you got a window seat. Yeah. That's good.
You see this? Look, there's a second jet bridge.
They got two jet bridges?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, they got two. And look at that one. That's
What is that other plane?
United 747-100 in the new paint job.
The new paint job, yeah. What about that Spirit? What's the Spirit? 319. What about this? What's the Spirit with that's white? You see that one?
Spirit was there for 20.
Yeah. Do you like being in the airport?
Yep, and we're going to see a big plane, which is right here. We don't know what plane it is, but we have to check.
It's a big airplane. I can tell right now. It's a big airplane. I'm guessing maybe like a Dreamliner. What do you think? That's our. That is our airplane.
This is the big one. This is the big one.
Got a little good skipping a step.
That's a 737-900. That's
Yeah.
a 737-900, and that's a 757-300. So let's go look at some. This is gotta be a big plane. This is a 737 MAX 9 in the old paint job. I know this so well.
You know that one so well?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the one we flew to Florida last time.
Last year?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's a Boeing 737-800. That's a Boeing 737-800.
Good job. Oh, one just landed, I think.
That's American.
Oh, is he taking off? He's taking off. Is he taking off?
That's American.
It is American, yeah. This is your world.
Okay, what's
You tell me where we're going.
so this is the plane we just looked at.
Yeah.
Let's go look at some.
That's.
They're both the same, but
They're both the same. One's got the old paint job. One's got the new paint job.
see that's cute.
Yeah, and they're sitting right by each other. It's like they're friends.
Yeah, they're our friends.
Isn't it? It's kind of funny.
It's kind of funny.
It's our pilot. He is checking out the aircraft. It says pilot on his vest. left and you get more seating. So I'm sitting right here. The aircraft, you come in and you go left and right. Yeah. I got 2 windows.
I'm not sure what happened, but they were having some difficulty with the store, so we had to wait around for a while, have these 2 guys come in and check it out. I don't know if they fixed anything or if they just said that everything was okay, and sure enough, they were cool and let us go on our merry way. Alright, so coming up really quick here is the only alligator I saw on my whole trip while I was in Florida. I was there for like a week or so, and that's it. That's the only guy I saw right there. Probably already recognize this, but down on the bottom left, right here, that is Epcot Center, or just Epcot, whatever. And bottom right is Downtown Disney, and basically right in the middle of the screen here is the one and only Magic Kingdom. Going to baggage claim 10. Something you don't see me do very much here. So it is to the right. Here is 10. Let's see if my luggage is coming out. Alright, we all got our luggage, thankfully. If you like this video, be sure to hit like and subscribe to see more videos like it in the future. And thanks so much for watching. Take flight.